Today, we are diving into the world of Excel to expose data validation and error checking. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding this feature is crucial for maintaining accurate and reliable data in your spreadsheet. So let's get started. Okay, first stop. What is data validation? Well, simply but put, is a feature in Excel that allows you to control what types of data can be entered, or you can enter into a cell of range of cells. So this is ensure that your data is accurate and consistent, which is essential for making informed decision based on your spreadsheet. Okay, so here you can find under the data tab, and you will find the data validation in the here. So in the data validation dialog box, you have the several options to choose from. So you can set criteria such as the whole number and the decimal and list, and also the text length on time and data. And also you can easily use this one as, or even create custom formula to validate your data. Okay, so let's say we want to restrict the input in a cell to only whole number between 1 and 100, and we will easily set that up here. Okay, so before that, what I'm gonna do, I will do select into the here or this cell into the here, and go to the data relations and use the whole number. Just click over here, and this is the minimum of 100 or 1, and maximum is 100, this one. Then here hit on the OK, and your data validation rules is placed. So if someone try to enter invalid data in cell, like here, if I say the 50, so it's okay, but when I use the 0, so it will give us error message. Okay, and even if I use say the 101 or 101, and Excel will display an error message preventing them from doing so. Okay, so I'm now let's talk about the error checkings. Despite our best effort, error can still occurs in our spreadsheet. So Excel provides us with tools to identify and correct this error efficiently. So we will use, and before that, I can easily use over here and use the data validations. And before that, let me select again the data validation, and here hit on the OK. And here you will find the error checking button under the formula tabs, and also before that, you can easily find out error checkings into the here. And here are before, if I want to click over, and here we got this one. And what I'm going to do, I also use here, and Excel can automatically detect certain types of errors, such as the formula that in errors, inconsistency formula, and even with broken line. Okay, so now when you click on the error checking button, the Excel will scan your spreadsheet for you and provide suggestion on how to fix them to compare the insert, and you can choose a concept accept Excel solution and make a manual auto or corrections as needed. And also we can handle the error with our data validation, but by going to the data, you see data validation, and here I want to use an error alert. You can easily with the different settings like error message, or you can easily use the input your message if you want to use for here the input 1 to 100, this one. On this one, then hit on the OK. Now if I gonna click over 101, now you see, and it say the input 1 to 100. Okay, So this way you can easily handle it. So, and here you have it, the mastering data checkings in Excel. You can ensure the integrity of your data and make your spreadsheet more reliable and efficient. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next